Hi, this is Hiral Bhatia and today I will be recreating Sonam Kapoor's braided bun hairstyle that I had created for the movie Veere Di Veddi. And it's perfect for any occasion, especially the traditional ones. This hairstyle got a lot of love, so I thought today I will recreate it step by step for you guys. Before starting any intricate hairstyle, prep your hair really well. Monsoon and humidity can cause your hair to frizz a lot. So as an expert, I advise people to use Livon serum to take care of the frizz. Dampen your hair and pump Livon serum 1 to 2 times on your palms. Spread it evenly between your fingers and run your fingers through your hair. This gives you salon smooth hair for easy styling and in a way acts as a primer for your hair before you style it. So there, my hair is smooth and frizz-free. So this hairstyle incorporates these tiny braids, almost like a cornrow, that goes into a bun. So we will be adding a lot of subsections to it. So first I'm taking a rough center parting, just so that our braids are symmetrical on both sides. From the front, you start taking a V that goes to the back. So first I've taken this V on the top. Now I'll continue taking my subsections. So keeping this as your center point, you go to the side and again isolate this. Same on the other side. Because we prepped the hair before this, it's become easier for me to take sections and it will become easier for me to braid it as well. So just make sure that it's even and symmetrical on both sides. And the last section, and clip it away. Make sure it's symmetrical on both sides again. I have isolated all these sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we'll start braiding 2 sections on either side. So I'm dividing the hair into 3 sections. And the side section goes under the other 2 sections and become the center section. As I proceed, I'll keep taking hair on either side and merging it with the center section. And once you're done, secure it with a rubber band. And I'm done with my first cornrow. Basically, it's a Dutch braid that you do it on your scalp. I'm going to repeat this on the other side as well. And these 2 sections, we're going to create the similar kind of cornrows. So I'm going to go ahead and cornrow the next side as well. So now this is our last section that I will be cornrowing. We'll make sure that it's symmetrical to this. So I've clipped the other sections neatly away. And again, starting with this extremely tiny section in the front, I will start creating my cornrows. So now I'm done with all 4 braids of mine. Isolating the braid, I will start combing the sections at the back. And I'm going to tie both the sections in the center. I've isolated the top section and the braids just so that we get a very clean section for us to tie, and tie it really tight here. So it's nice and clean. So now time for this top section. Secure it with 2 big bobby pins. And then again isolating your braids, take the rest of the section and place it just above the occipital and just loosen the bun and secure it with U-pins. Once you're done with your bun, I'm just going to place all these braids over it so that the bun looks interesting. Just keep securing it. When styling such hairstyles, it's very common to see flyaways. So we'll again take care of it by using a couple of pumps of the Livon serum. So there, we are done. It's an elegant look and there's a lot of room to mix and match accessories and outfits. Try it, flaunt it, and don't forget to tag me and Livon when you do.